Here we are, Binkley Park, Sherman, Texas. Trail check. Boom! Super fun trail, got some wood features, some wall rides, some drops. We got video footage. One of us may have crashed.
Sure. In hip hop, it's this.
Tyson and Trevor are not mountain bike coaches. They are two dudes who purchased mountain bikes during a pandemic. One is a comedian, one works in internet security. Both are ninjas. Watching this video will help you have a way more fun on your bike. Enjoy.
Binkley Park, Sherman, Texas.
In the house.
Past and all your worries in the world. Wonder if you should be on the other.
All right, let's test out this new helmet. Whee!
Wishing that you could be anyone that you want to.
Starts out pretty nice. Some sweet little tree gates, a little up and down. Fun little tree line here. All right, kids, don't try this at home.
Go right off it. Bloop. Hardtail!
We're about to do this gap to drop into the trees extravaganza. Tyson, it's his first time, so should be good. Here he comes. Ready for this?
Do it. Gap drop.
Looks like the advanced riders only. Let's do this. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, skinny with a, whoa, sketchy drop. Woo!
Let's do it again.
Okay, this time, no dirt nap.
No dirt nap. All right, we just finished riding Binkley. In Sherman.
Yep.
Great trail, great parking. It's on the Dorba app. A lot of fun little wood features. It's got a cool little jump track.
All up and downs are really cool. Switchbacks.
Brand new feature right at the start of the trail called Hammerhead. It's part paved, kind of a flowy roller coaster section. Super fun. It'd definitely be blue or green.
For sure.
Yeah.
And it's all doable by anyone. Nothing too sketchy, but it's a cool little section.
We had a good time. We rate this trail 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, 2 thumbs up.
3
3 thumbs up.
There we go. 3rd thumb, middle thumb. That's too many thumbs. That's too many thumbs.
All right, well, have more fun on the trail.
Have more fun on the trail. Like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Oh, and first adventure in the mountain bike van.
Oh yeah, the debut of the van is coming soon. We have this mountain bike van.
Give them a walk around. Show them the van.
Little
Show them
sneak
the
peek.
van.
All right, let's take a look. The van is ready to rock.
It's got a bed and a toilet.
It does. Shower. And the coolest part is the garage.
How many bikes does it fit?
I don't know yet. I'm hoping 4. We'll find out soon.
Video coming soon.
Treat it like a jump. Treat it like a jump.
Treat it like a joke.
How you feeling?
Feel like a crash over.
Ninja and the Badger mountain bike van, complete with puppies.
Check it out, Binkley Trail, MTB 103, trail rated. There's something weird.
You got a spider hanging off your helmet right in your lip.
That means you did a good job.
Yeah.
Visor still on?
Yeah.
Good. Here we are, we just finished riding Binkley Trail, Sherman, Texas. It's a great trail, plenty of parking. It's in the Dobra app. There goes Trevor. Send it! Great trail. GoPro, stop recording.